Good day, everyone, and thank you for taking the time to join this commentary. Today, I will be introducing the Phase 1 development of the solid-state power industry project, the high-profit, highly automated, and strategically positioned advanced cable manufacturing initiative in the United States. The advanced cable industry is the bread and butter of the entire energy and automated manufacturing sector. It is a business with high profit margins, broad and steady market demand, and a manufacturing process that can be highly automated from end to end. At the same time, it is widely recognized as the mother of the energy industry. Why? Because during high-end cable manufacturing, we are able to extract a highly valuable byproduct: activated graphene 8-layer powder. This material is a critical enhancer that dramatically improves graphene's high temperature resistance, cold resistance, and structural stability. It serves as one of the most important ignition elements for activating and strengthening graphene's core performance. Phase 1 of the solid-state power industry. High profit times high automation times high-end eco-friendly cables. Our first phase strategy focuses on building a fully automated advanced cable manufacturing base, producing high-value, eco-friendly power cables designed for the U.S. market, the federal procurement system, and the future solid-state energy ecosystem. 1. Why advanced cable manufacturing, the foundation of the energy industry? Let me begin with a simple but important point. Advanced cable manufacturing is the bread and butter of the energy, power, and automation industries. Every building, every machine, every renewable energy system, every industrial line all require high-performance cables. This sector offers high profit margins, predictable demand, stable long-term consumption, and the highest level of manufacturing automation among all energy-related industries. But there is more. During high-end cable production, we extract extremely high-value materials, specifically activated graphene 8-layer powder. This material significantly enhances graphene's high temperature tolerance, cold resistance, and structural stability. It becomes a key element for future solid-state energy applications. So when we build an advanced cable factory, we are not only building a cable business. We are building the foundation of the entire solid-state energy ecosystem. 2. Phase 1. High profit times high automation times eco-friendly cables. The first phase of our project focuses on building a fully automated manufacturing facility in the United States. Our core products include PVC and PE power cables, DV cables, 600-volt control cables, shielded 600-volt industrial cables, cross-linked PE-PVC cable, CV cables, heat-resistant cables. These products serve multiple markets: commercial electricity, industrial equipment, household appliances, construction projects, and general power accessories. Our goal is clear: build the most advanced high-end cable manufacturing base in the United States and dominate the U.S. market. 3. U.S. Smart Manufacturing Strategy. Solid-state power industry model. Automation plus U.S. green energy policies. Our project aligns directly with America's core policies: green energy transition, made in USA manufacturing strategy, digital and automated production. By building locally and using advanced automated equipment, we dramatically increase product value while reducing production cost. Government resource integration. We will fully leverage federal and state-level advantages, manufacturing tax credits, green energy incentives, equipment depreciation benefits, land, facility, and R&D support programs. These combined resources reduce risk and maximize investor return. See Smart Manufacturing Objectives. We aim to establish clear product advantages, control core manufacturing technologies, reduce cost by using U.S.-based materials and supply chains. Meet the growing demand for high-end cables. Maximize shareholder profit. Build strong employee welfare and long-term workforce stability. 4 product portfolio for Phase 1. High-end eco-friendly cables. This includes ultra-high-speed networking cables, Cat.85G6G. These are future-proof cables used in AI centers, data centers, cloud computing hubs, and industrial automation facilities. Automated power accessory manufacturing. Our fully automated lines will also produce eco-friendly extension cords. Power distribution connectors. High-end power cords. Automated power cables for equipment manufacturers. Applications include medical devices, computers, home appliances, industrial equipment, EV systems, solar power systems, public utilities, and building infrastructure. We cover the full spectrum of cable demand in the United States. 5. Automation efficiency. 1 machine equals 130 skilled operators. 1 fully automated cable manufacturing line replaces 130 trained operators, operating 23 hours per day without interruption. This means stable productivity, lower manpower costs, consistent quality, full compliance with OETL safety standards. Automation is the future, and we are building a plant that is automation first from day 1. 6. U.S. market opportunity analysis. A. Customer requirements. The U.S. market urgently needs made in USA high-end cables, environmentally friendly and safety certified materials, stable and local supply chains, short and reliable lead times. The current U.S. market problem. Here is the key opportunity. The United States currently has no advanced cable factories equipped with high-level automation technologies. Therefore, all high-end cables, drawn enamel wires, 2-in-1 cable assembly, and specialty wiring are imported. These imports come with high cost, unstable quality, long lead times, safety certification issues, supply chain risks. In many industries, this has already caused price surges and product shortages. See our competitive advantage. Our automated factory can achieve 40% lower selling price than imported cables. Consistent supply. Short delivery time. Imported cables, 3 to 4 months. U.S. made automated cables, 10 days to 2 weeks. This is not a slight improvement. This is a total supply chain transformation. 7. U.S. federal government procurement. Our strategic entry point. The largest buyer of cables in the United States is the federal government. According to U.S. procurement law, all products purchased by federal agencies must be made in USA. TAA compliant. This applies to high-end power cables, construction cables, solar and renewable energy cables, defense and military cables. This regulation alone gives our project a direct and protected entry point into America's largest guaranteed procurement market. No imported product can bypass this rule. This is one of our most powerful competitive advantages. 8. Why invest in Phase 1? Investors gain exposure to a high-demand essential industry. A made in USA supply chain monopoly opportunity. A high automation manufacturing model. A long-term, multi-billion-dollar US government procurement market. An energy-linked material, graphene 8th layer powder that unlocks the future of solid-state energy systems. This project is designed for high return, stable long-term operations, scalability into solid-state battery and energy storage manufacturing. 9. Closing summary. Ladies and gentlemen, Phase 1 of the solid-state power industry project is not simply a cable plant. It is the gateway into the U.S. manufacturing revival, the federal procurement supply chain, the green energy transformation, the future solid-state energy ecosystem. We are positioning ourselves at the core of America's next-generation energy infrastructure. Thank you for your time.